So let's practice connections between steps. With these connections, you can do any choreography possible. So number one, we have to remember how to switch weight in place. Pivot, 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 legs together, switch. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Try to pivot as much as you can. We'll make that skirt fly. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Keep your feet as much as possible together. That's number one. Number two is a hip twist. So we step forward. Remember to open this leg and twist as fast as you can. Step, hip twist. Step, hip twist. Step, hip twist. Step, hip twist. Step, hip. There is a two types of hip twist. One is a closing leg, one is a 90 degree. So let's do with the 90 degree now. Step, 90. Step, 90. Step, 90. So that's already three. Now next one, which is very important, is a pivoting movement. So when we step here, we just pivot. Step, we just pivot. Step, pivot. Step, pivot. And there is also two types of pivot. This is with the leg, when we leave leg pointed, or when we can collect and present our leg with a little brush. Step, brush, pivot. Step, brush, pivot. Step, brush, pivot. Step, brush, pivot. And two more connections which are a little bit more difficult, but they're very, very helpful. Let's start like this. Point your right foot. So it's how to change feet from back to front and from front to back. So we collect, and from here, as we switch, we step forward. Rock back, collect, switch front. Rock back. So this is called from back to front. So foot change from back to front. And the last one is going to be from front to back. When we, let's say, in the forward walk, we're going together, back, forward, together, back, front, together, back, back, together, front. So this is the most popular connections. If you master them, you can do almost any choreography. So let's try together. Just close your legs. It's a very good teaching methods, learning methods. And go quick, quick, slow. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Switch. Try to over-rotate. Make that skirt fly as much as you can. Boom. Chick, chick, chick. Zoom, zoom, chick, chick. Now the second one. Walk. Open this leg as much as possible. Hip twist. As fast as you can. Walk, hip twist. Walk, hip twist. Walk, hip twist. Now next one. Do walk, hip twist with a 90 degree. Boom. Walk, 90. Walk, 90. With the bend knee. Walk. Very good. Now next one, go 2 walks, pivoting action, pivot, walk, pivot, walk, pivot. This movement we use all the time in our choreographies. And next one, do pivot with the brush and point right, with the brush, with the brush, with the brush. Very good, son. And the last one, foot changes. Those already, pretty advanced movements, which you actually do in open gold choreographies a lot. So step forward, now go back, together front. Together front, front, together back. And just by doing like this for many, many times, you get used to correct way of foot changes. Very good. Now next one, when you stay back, stay like this. Go back, back, together front. Now move back, together front, back, together front, back, together front. So let's say if we combine back together front with the front together back, we get a famous zigzag. So you go back together front and I go together back. So this becomes a zigzag. So you can do many variations of this. So if you go, let's say, through our choreography, you will notice, even it's open gold, so this is all rumba walks, but this is nothing else as a hip twist. This is forward walk, this is nothing else as a pivot. This is nothing else as a pivot. Rumba walk, this is nothing else as a hip twist with the bend knee, which we call 90 degree. This is another hip twist, regular, step forward. Hip twist, regular hip twist, yes. Step forward, very good. Now this is nothing else as a pivot, step forward, pivot. This is here nothing else as a hip twist with a 90 degree.